Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our biodiversity of chordate paper. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about classification of amphibia. So, class amphibia comprises near about 2,500 species, which is comparatively very less number than other classes included in vertebrate category. When we are talking about the classification of amphibia, so the classification of amphibia is most generally followed nowadays, was proposed by or was given by G. Kinsley Noble. So he suggested that classification is used nowadays for the classification of class amphibia. He recognized three orders which were including extincted animals belonging to the amphibians, and three orders of living amphibians were recognized by him. Later on, number of taxonomists work on it, and they have included all the extincted amphibians in subclass Stegocephalia. So in short, we can say that class amphibia is classified into two different subclasses. So all the extincted orders are included in Stegocephalia, and all the living amphibians are included, or living orders of amphibian includes, they are included in subclass Lissa amphibia, or you can say Lis amphibia. So let us come to the next slide. So here you can observe that class amphibia is classified into two subclasses, Stegocephalia and Lis amphibia. So Stegocephalia subclass includes all the extincted amphibians, and subclass Lysamphibia includes all the living amphibians. This extincted subclass, so we are not going to discuss about it. We are going to discuss all the orders which are in living condition. Let us come to the next slide. So the subclass Lysamphibia is classified into three different orders. So first order is Gymnophiona. The another name for this this order is Apoda. Another second one is Urodela. Urodela is the name of order, which is having another name for it as a Chordata. It is CAU. Okay, Chordata. The third order which is included in subclass Lysamphibia is order Salentia. Salentia. Another name for this Salentia is Anita. Order Anita. So let's just talk about the characters of this order. When we are talking about our first order, that is Gymnophiona or Apoda order, so the Gymnophiona is a Greek terminology in which gymnos means naked. Gymnos means naked, or which is just without any scale, and Ophions means serpent like, or we can say जो क्रॉलिंग इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं. serpents मीन्स जो स्नेक्स वगैरह होते हैं, रेंगने वाले जिनको हम बोलते हैं. सो इस टर्म का मीनिंग है नेकेड serpent लाइक एनिमल्स. और सीधे सीधे अपोडा जो अनदर टर्म है, वो भी एक ग्रीक टर्मिनोलॉजी है जिसमें ए स्टैंड्स फॉर एब्सेंट एंड पोडा स्टैंड्स फॉर फूड. सो foot are absent in them, that's why they are included into the order Gymnophiba or Gymnophoina or Apoda. So let us see the example. So this is Ichthyophis glutiniosa, which is included into the first order, that is order Apoda. Order Apoda, or the another name for this is Gymnophiona. So this order comprises all the blind, or most of them are blind and limbless. You can observe here they don't have any appendage or any limb here. They are mostly burrowing type of worm like animals which are serpent like animals. यहाँ पे देख सकते हो ये snake like appearance है इसका. एंड मडी एरिया में रहता है ये. दे आर कॉमनली नोन एज कैसिलियंस. ओके, ये so it is caecilians, so they are commonly called as caecilians. स्कल कॉम्पैक्ट है इनमें, और लिम्स जो है गर्डल्स एब्सेंट है, बिकॉज लिम्स ही नहीं है तो गर्डल्स कहाँ से होंगे. एंड दे हैव प्रोट्रिस्टिबल कॉपुलेटरी ऑर्गन्स इन मेल. एंड 55, near about 55 species are included under this order, Gymnophina or Gymnophiona, or Apoda order you can say. So this is the common example. Now another order is order Urodela or order Chordata. Now here order Urodela is a Greek terminology in which Euro means, you know, that tail, and delos means visible. So tail is visible in them. जो हमने फर्स्ट अपोडा की बात की वहाँ पे टेल होती तो है, लेकिन वो इतनी डिस्टिंक्ट नहीं होती, बहुत शॉर्ट टेल होती है. यहाँ पे बात करें तो यहाँ पे डिस्टिंक्ट और विजिबल टेल होती है, रिकग्नाइजेबल टेल होती है. और यहाँ पे कॉर्डा का मतलब भी टेल का ही होता है. तो इन शॉर्ट द टेल बियरिंग amphibians are included in the order Urodela or order Chordata. They are lizard like amphibians. So let us come to the एग्जाम्पल. सो इट इज़ एम्बियोस्टोमा टिग्रीनम, जिसको कॉमनली बोला जाता है टाइगर सैलामेंडर. एज इट इज़ हैविंग पैचेस ऑन इट्स बॉडी और कलरेशन लाइक टाइगर ऑन इट्स बॉडी, इसीलिए इस सैलामेंडर को टाइगर सैलामेंडर बोला जाता है. एम्फीबियन, ऐसे ये लिजार्ड लाइक एम्फीबियंस होते हैं. You can observe here its body, tail well broad है और well defined है. You can observe its tail which is distinct. 2 pairs of limb, 4 limb होंगे, 2 pair, और lateral side पे और hind limbs होंगे. Gills permanent और lost in adults, and skin is devoid of scales, कि यहाँ पे scales नहीं है. You can observe here male without copulatory organ रहेगा. larvae aquatic होंगे, adult like होंगे, एंड विथ टीथ. सो इन दिस order Urodela or Chordata, 300 species, near about 300 species are included in it. Now let us come to the final and third order, that is order Salentina or Anita. Sorry, it's not Anita, it's Anura. Okay, it is a typing mistake. So order Salentia or order Anura is there. So it is a Latin terminology when we are talking about Salentia. So it is a Latin terminology which means leaping. Leaping in sense, the jumping type of animals are there, so they just take a leap before jump. And the Anura, here it is Anura. So the Anura is a Greek terminology in which A means absent, A stands for absent, and aura stands for, its aura stands for tail. So tail is absent in them. यहाँ पे short tail है, ऐसे भी आप इनको डिफाइन कर सकते हो, short tailed, well defined tailed, or well distinct tail, and here tail is absent. So this is Anura. So Salentina or Anura is having frogs included in it. So they are specialized amphibians without tail. You know, you have observed the body of frog के वहाँ उनकी tail नहीं होती है. They have well defined limbs hind limbs are casually adapted for leaping और swimming, यानी वो jumping के लिए और swimming के लिए adapted होते हैं. eyelids well formed होंगे. tympanum will be present, which means tympanal क्या होता है, tympanum क्या होता है, tympanum is a sound producing organ which is present on the hind legs or in their gill side place we can say. स्किन लूजली फिटेड होगी. यू कैन ऑब्जर्व हियर कि स्किन ऐसे लूज लूज लग रही है. एंड स्केललेस बॉडी होगी. मैंडिबल्स टूथलेस होंगे. पेक्टोरल गर्डल विल बी बोनी. रिब्स विल बी एब्सेंट और रिड्यूस्ड. वर्टिब्रल कॉलम वेरी स्मॉल रहेगा विथ 5 to 9 precursor. फर्टिलाइजेशन ऑलवेज एक्सटर्नल होगा यहाँ पे. एंड इट कंप्राइजेज नियर अबाउट 2200 species. So order Anura comprises 2200 species. So in it Bufo milanicus, it is its common name is Indian Bufo इसको बोला जाता है. और Indian frog we can say, common Indian frog. So here the classification of class amphibia ends up to order level. Hopefully you have understood all the orders. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.